Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today also we will be releasing a video for less than 5 minutes. So we don't want to bore you by showing the same indicator every day. Only we are showing the performance. Also we are explaining you how to use our indicator from the scratch. So you all know we need 3 important steps. What is that? First thing, you have to create one free trading account. Next one, you have to subscribe to our indicator, also to our YouTube channel. And the third one, go to the indicator settings in the trading application, select the invite only option and add our indicator onto your chart. If you are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty like 4 to 5 digits stock, then go to the settings and reduce the stop loss. Reduce stop loss to tiny 2 and target also tiny 2. If you want to keep 1:2 ratio, you can keep tiny targets and tiny 2 stop loss. And all other settings are default only. So go here and give reset settings. So after that you can change your stop loss to tiny 2 and tiny. It is up to you. Okay, if you want to keep 1:1, you can keep. If you want to keep 1:2, you can keep. Only things you need patience and consistency, discipline you have to follow. Okay, so this is for previous day, that is on 17th October. We got buy entry, we got the profit. And today 18th October, what has happened? Let us see. Now market has just opened, and immediately after market having opened, we got our buy entry and sell entry zone formed. So the top 2 lines are called as sell zone and bottom 2 lines are called as buy zone, and the midpoint is the pivot point. So now you can see what is the high made, 19,840.95, and what is the our sell entry here? It is 19,839.70. Now is it exactly activated? Yes, 100% with accuracy it is activated. If sell or buy is activated, what we are supposed to do? Go to the indicator settings. If sell activated, remove the buy. Enable the sell targets. Also enable second buy targets, because if SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. Do not forget. Okay, now our setting is ready. Now we are going to wait for the 1:1 target or 1:2 target. It is up to you. If you have taken only one lot and waiting for 1:2 ratio, keep the stop loss to cost to cost after it has reached the 1:1 target. If you want to wait for more targets, after take 3 lots initially, book the first lot at the first target and revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Book the second lot at the second target and revise stop loss to first target, and book the third lot at the third target and exit from the market. Now exactly our sell entry got activated. This kind of accuracy you will never get anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world you will get exactly our 1:2 ratio target has been hit. Now 1:4 ratio target has been hit. Let us see what will happen to the market in Nifty. So there may be many analysis that why market has fallen today or other things, but technically our indicator works exactly this kind of exact reversal point. No other indicator or no other tool which are available in the world can predict. But with the God grace, our tool has predict exactly, and we are in a profit because of our tool prediction. So now I have kept 1:2 ratio target hit, 1:4 ratio target hit. This is 1:6 ratio. So as per the strategy, suppose if I had taken 3 lots, I will be booking the first lot at the first target, and I will revise my stop loss to cost to cost. Okay, and I will be waiting for the second target with the stop loss at cost to cost. If second lot is booked at the second target, I will revise my stop loss to first target. I will be waiting for the third target. Now see, almost 3 targets has been hit. Market has closed. Our stop loss is still safe. All our targets exactly hit. So this is how our indicator is working. Do you find any difficulties in understanding this indicator? You don't have to do anything. but we have extra settings in this indicator. Okay, only to understand all the settings you need extra time. So if you are following only the basic steps, you don't have to do any practice. Simply open the market and enable the indicator with the default settings. If the market goes to the top zone first, go for sell. If the market goes to bottom side first, go for buy. If sell activated, remove the buy. If buy activated, remove the sell. Enable the targets accordingly and book the profits. That's all, no other things. And also a kind it is not an advice, it is an alert message to all my trading members. Please do not click any advertisement in the YouTube where people are saying this is my profit, this is my loss, this is the strategy I will teach you, wake up at 5 o'clock, 5 like some people are doing 555. They will be charging you only 9 rupees to just to take you into their system. After that 1 or 2 days they will conduct one seminar, then they will charge you some 65,555. Also they will bring some more people to the seminar session, and that people also will take away from your money. So be careful, do not click any advertisement. Please be stick to one system, that is your system. Follow that system and become a profitable trader. These so-called trainers are they are making money only from others. They are not trading. In fact, they are having many marketing strategy just to fool the people. They are having many marketing strategy, attractive words, attractive session. Many girls are working for them, many boys are working for them, many MBAs are working for them. But simply they have made many loss in the market only from their courses they are teaching. One fellow will say, I will do live trading with you, but if some losses come, he will say simply loss will come only. He will close the trade. Only entering the trade he will show the live trade. After entering he will close the trade and he will close the session also. So what will happen in the market we will not be knowing, and we cannot contact them also. If you are contacting them, they will give email ID. Send your questions to this email ID. So many such scams are happening. It is our duty and responsibility to save our hard earned money. You have to protect our money. So please, my kind advice as a brother, please do not waste your money with them. Don't ever click any such advertisements. That is what I can say. But unfortunately, when we open the YouTube, many advertisement related to trading, and every day we are getting calls from them. It is very annoying. I don't know how to avoid those. A simple method what I will be using is, if they are talking in Hindi, I will say I don't know Hindi. If they are talking in English, I will say I don't know English. Simply my mother tongue is Tamil, so I will say Tamil. So when I say Tamil, they will simply cut the call. There are two benefits out of it. One is, when I say Tamil, they will recruit the people who knows Tamil. Otherwise, they will not call me back. Okay, two benefits I will derive out of this. And similarly, if you are having your mother tongue, suppose say you are a Kannadiga, you say Kannada. If the people in Hindi, please do not respond. If they speak in English, please do not respond to them. So likewise, you can avoid such a calls. Whenever you get a calls, immediately put on them in blacklist. Okay, put their numbers in blacklist so that next day you will not be disturbed. He might be in hospital, he might be in driving, so in that time they will calling us, they will disturb us. And many people are selling our data. Whenever we give our phone numbers to any shopping center or any supermarket and all, they are simply selling our data to other people. So it is our responsibility to be very careful with such people. Thank you. Bye bye. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. Please share your valuable comments, and do not think that we are also making money from you, but we are not doing so. We are charging very little amount. It is a very penny amount, and we are giving you lifetime validity, 120 months validity and all. And see, such accuracy, if you get only one trade per day, it is well and good. And we have been showing in live market. We are not showing you any Excel sheet. Okay, we are not showing any back tested test and all. We are showing everything in the live market. Only if you are interested, you can go ahead. We are not using any attractive words. We don't know we don't know to use the attractive words. People who has the very attractive words and advertisement sense and all, only this day trading, that is on 18th October day trading in Nifty only, they will make crores of amount using this indicator. They will sell the indicator for crores of amount also because of that marketing skill and advertisement sense. But we don't know, we don't want to involve in such advertisement, and we are not planning to go for YouTube advertisement also, because everybody is going and doing their business in YouTube. It is nowadays very difficult to use the YouTube without watching any advertisement. So better, I think we should go for premium version of YouTube, so that we can save our money, because it is because of our emotion, no, we are sometimes becoming prey to their advertisement. So that is why my kind advice, please do not get into such advertisement. Please do not trust them. It is 100% it is a fake. They are not real people, and they will never respond us back to us. Hope this is clear. And one person you can believe is Mr. Santu Baba. He is from Vellore. Even I have attended his seminar. He is very good person. Whatever he charges, he will charge only 199 rupees or 999 rupees, but he will give the calls, and also he will give food also. He is having one hotel, and not in Vellore, it is in Bangalore, and he will give free food, everything. Whatever the amount we are paying, he will be giving more than what we have paid it. And this person is very nice. I have taken him as my guru. I respect him. So if you are following him, it is well and good, and he has taught many strategies, and one strategy I will be teaching you very soon from his strategy. For that I have made one coding also. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.